Hi, this is Guld with Geeks on Tour, and in this video I want to show you about backing up your smartphone's photos to two cloud storage services. I use Google Photos and Microsoft OneDrive. I will show you the mechanics of exactly how to do it and explain a few of the reasons why I think it's such a good idea. First, I need to take a few pictures, so I just have this dragon figurine here. And I'm going to snap a few pictures with my Samsung phone. Okay, now I have one more figurine, this little mermaid. I'll take a few pictures of her. Okay, now I'm going to show you what's on the phone. So here is my phone and my Google Photos and my Microsoft OneDrive apps on this phone. This is an Android, but this works the same on an iPhone. I also want you to notice that I put my phone into airplane mode, so the pictures that I just took are on the phone. They're local to my device, and they have not been able to be uploaded because I have all the connectivity turned off. So let's go see what happens. I go into Google Photos, and I see those photos that are on my device, but notice the 7 up here. It's saying there are 7 pictures waiting to be uploaded. It is going to upload because of the settings for backup and sync. I have backup and sync setting turned on, and if you have Google Photos, that is the default. So as soon as I turn on Wi-Fi, these will start uploading automatically. All I have to do is turn on my Wi-Fi. We will see that these photos are now being backed up to my Google account in the cloud. Backup complete. That's what you want to see. So that is Google Photos. These photos are now safely copied, backed up to my Google account. But what if something happened to my Google account? So now I'll open OneDrive. So OneDrive picks up on the fact that the camera in this phone took some photos, and its job is to upload them to the OneDrive cloud storage, and that's because of a setting. You get to settings in this under the Me and then settings, and it's this one, camera upload, that I have it on. So now I want to prove to you that they made it up to both of these cloud storage services by going to the computer. So here I am at my computer on a browser, and I will browse to Google Photos. That's photos.google.com. And I've noticed that I am logged in with my account. So here are those 7 pictures. They are safely backed up. If I lose my phone, I do not lose my pictures. One thing I want you to see is the size of these photos, because in order to have unlimited storage for free, you agree to a certain amount of compression. So let's just look at this first mermaid photo. 9.1 megapixels, that's fine. It's the compression is what puts it down to 410K. Now, that sounds awfully low, doesn't it? Well, that's because of all this white. There's not much in this picture. Let's look at a more normal picture. We'll go back in time to this picture, say, and it is 2.3 megabytes. Okay. Just remember that. It was 410K and 2.3 megabytes. Now I'm going to take you to OneDrive. And once again, you need to be logged in with your account. And OneDrive is for storing all sorts of different things. I just want to look at the photos. And notice there are the pictures of the mermaid and the dragon. So even if somehow I lost my Google account or I accidentally deleted photos, I would still have them here. And not only do I have a backup of them, but it is the full size. Let's take a look at the info. And this photo is 1.6 megabytes. Remember, that was the one that was 410K. And let's look at that other picture. Info, 8.4 megabytes. So my original is stored in OneDrive, and that's why I like going to both. I love using Google Photos. Google Photos has all the tools I need, but if I should accidentally delete my photos in Google Photos, I still have them in OneDrive, and I have the originals even. So that is backing up to 2 different cloud storage services.